What's up, everyone? It's Dan Charley, and I gotta tell you, one of the questions that I get from our advisors on a regular basis is how they can differentiate themselves from other individuals and financial advisors out there. And so who I have here today is Brandon T. Adams. Brandon, welcome. Brandon, tell me a little bit about how they can differentiate themselves from their competitors or other people in their community that do the same thing as them, and where they can get this information, because I heard that we're having this event where they can learn a little bit more. So
it is all about your brand. You think about the word brand. What is it? It's what people think about you. It's branded into their brain about who you are, what you do, and how you help people. And so we're gonna go over how you can build a brand, how you can get things branded in people's brains, but how to actually do the simple steps, whether that's recording video content on social media, what you're saying on the camera, what people are thinking about you, maybe a podcast show, going on podcast shows, publishing a book, hosting events. Everything we share is around how you can use these different mediums to build your brand, to get people to like you, trust you, want to work with you, and to bring more business in the door. So that's what we're doing.
Awesome. Well, listen, if you want to understand the psychology behind this and put that together with the nuts and bolts of exactly how to do that, then you got to be at this event. So again, it's Nashville, Tennessee. Send me a direct message if you're interested, and I look forward to seeing you there.
We'll see you in Nashville.